Hello, this is my week 6 learning activity. This week I've prepared a lesson plan that's geared toward an 8th grade class. This is a manipulative activity. I found a great resource that makes use of puzzle pieces, which I will get into later. I liked this activity because in my experience, I've seen a lot of manipulative activities that's been geared toward the younger students. And as the students grow older, the manipulative activities decrease. So it's nice to find an activity that the older students can enjoy. Um, this activity is going to go over the translations and rotations of a geometric figure on a coordinate plane. Um, the teacher will first start the activity by going over the terms what is a translation and a rotation. Um, Once the teacher has kind of made the definitions clear, then he or she can open up the class to discussion on where we see translations and rotations. And in real life, I think this is a good idea to kind of get the students thinking about how they're going to be using these concepts in their daily lives. That way they don't completely shut down on it. Next, the teacher is going to have the students get some graph paper. Either the students can provide their own or the teacher can provide it to them. At which point the students are going to draw and label a coordinate plane. The teacher is going to pass out a small geometric figure. The resource I found uses puzzle pieces, but any small figure can do. I was able to find a memory card, so I'm going to be using this as my example today. The teacher is going to have the coordinate plane, which I forgot to draw, like so. You can see that. There you go. Stick the figure on there, have the students trace it with one color, and then the students are going to either rotate it, something along those lines. It's hard to do backwards, something along those lines, or have the students reflect it across the plane. So I felt like this would be a fun activity for the students to do, kind of gives them an idea of how figures can be changed around, and it's a good visual for them by using the different colors, and they can actually touch it and understand what's going on.